Have you ever walked out of your house, got a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and thought, damn girl, what happened to your face? I know the struggle because it used to happen to me all the time, particularly when I was starting out as a makeup artist. I used to rely a lot on natural daylight lighting. Daylight lighting also comes with its own struggles. It can be too cloudy and overcast, or it can even be too bright, too sunny, and you don't really get a true reflection of your makeup or even able to see your client correctly. This used to be a big struggle for me as well on YouTube. You really need to make sure you get the correct lighting to film a makeup tutorial. If you're doing your makeup in an office, more than likely they will have white fluorescent lights which make you look paler. Therefore you can over bronze your skin and think you are paler than you actually are, and then when you go out you're going to end up looking extra bronzed. The other issue would be doing your makeup in bedroom lighting, which can have like a yellow hue to the lighter, kind of like an orange tinge. So you think that you're really bronze, and when you go outside you will find that your makeup is a little bit paler than it should be, or maybe you've applied a lot more blush than needs be because the color of your makeup in your mirror isn't true to life, it's not accurate. So these are the biggest struggles I had as a makeup artist and a YouTuber. I think we can all agree that lighting is super important when it comes to makeup. But not everyone wants to invest in big studio equipment or ring lights, particularly if you're not doing makeup as your career. First of all, they're expensive, and second of all, they are big, they're clumpy, and they're not convenient in the slightest, especially for traveling. This is where Fancii mirrors come in, and Fancii has been an absolute game changer for me. First of all, their mirrors fit nicely on your vanity. They're super sleek and cute and so convenient. You also have the option of getting travel versions, so you can take them anywhere in the world with you, particularly to hotels where we all know that lighting is absolutely horrendous. Particularly in the bathrooms. So I love the fact that you can take your Fancii mirrors anywhere. They have 3 different light settings: light, warm and neutral. So you can pretty much do your makeup any time of the day and you have full control over your lighting. My favorite is Vera because it fits nicely on your vanity, it's really pretty, and it's big enough so you can see your full face, so you're not struggling to see yourself in a tiny little mirror. I love the fact that you also have the option of adding a 10 times magnifying mirror to it, so you can get nice and close when you're doing your lashes and your brows, which is super important. It also is rechargeable and you can pack it up into a box and take it anywhere with you. It's not too big and it's not too small, it's like the perfect size. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video explains the importance of lighting. You can check out Vera and more of Fancii mirrors over on Fancii.com. I hope you have a great day. Bye!